So today we will see how to import patient DICOM data using a pen drive. So data is already there in the pen drive. So just check it and locate where is the data in the USB. So you can see there are multiple data, and the data which I want to import is a thyroid image. So you can see this thyroid DICOM. Now go back to Xeleris user interface. From the top, click on this downward arrow and then click new source DICOM P10 repository. From this window, click browse and look for the USB. Expand it, and here you can find thyroid DICOM. Then click OK. Now you can see the directory is changed from G/thyroid DICOM. Just click OK. You can see the patient name here. Expand. Just select the patient and transfer it to local. So just select the patient data and click on local. Now you can see the data is getting imported. You can go back to the local and in the search type patient name. You can see the data: empty syringe, dynamic, whole syringe, LAO, RAO and thyroid.